Hey, welcome back to the Ernest P YouTube channel. I'm Ernest. Today we're going to be replacing the fuel door on an F-150. Super common issue. This fuel door just gets wobbly, won't stay closed. This customer has it with some Velcro right here so it'll stay closed when he's done. But they break here in the hinge and pretty easy to replace, so I'll show you how to do that. You can do it yourself and we'll jump right into it. So best place to get the replacement part is the dealership. It's, almost the exact same price online and the dealership. From what they've told me, it has an updated part. Could be that it's not updated, but they seem to believe that it is. So just go with the dealership. They'll have it in stock in town. It's a common issue. So first off, what we'll do is remove this here, and then there's 3 8mm bolts, and then you'll need a non-marring pry tool to get behind there so you don't scratch the paint around here. So we're going to remove this and check back in. All right, super simple. It's got 2 tabs on the side, one there, one there. You just push one of those down and pull up, and the other side will come out. So then we'll just loosen these 3 8mm bolts, and I've got a magnet here. I'll just stick them off to the side, just don't lose them. And this filler neck will push down out of the way there. So I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, once you've got those out of the way, you'll just push down on this filler neck and it should push right out of there. In fact, I'm not even gonna worry about pushing that down out of the way. I'm just gonna get that non-marring pry tool behind here, and we'll go ahead and pop this old one out, and I'll show you what that looks like and where the clips are and how you'll wanna do that. All right, so once you get that loose, it will slide out in this fashion here. So it just kind of comes peeling out. And you'll have to swap this door over, the white lid here or whatever color your vehicle is. That's it. That's super simple. Again, I didn't even worry about pushing this down out of the way. I just pulled that old one out, and that just stayed where it was at. So we'll swap that lid over. I'll show you how it comes off, and it'll go back in just as easy as it came out. All right, now to get this off, you'll lift up on this tab with a flathead screwdriver, and then this will just slide out. Okay, so I just broke it off because it's the old one. So I'm filming this with one hand, so all you gotta do is push it and it comes off. We can toss the old one. Again, they're not much use fixing. I've seen people try and fix them before and they tend to just break again. So just go ahead and replace it. Don't worry about fixing it. You'll save yourself some headache in the future. Again, we'll just put this together just like it came apart, and super simple. Okay, you'll see this new one works a lot better. Pushes all the way closed, stays closed, comes open well. So we'll put that new door on. All right, that looks nice. We'll just slide it in there. So here's actually, so you can see as well, here's the clips here. There's 2 up there and then 2 down there. I just got that pry tool right behind it and pulled out. No big deal. It just came right out. So all right, so before you click it in place, you want to get it lined up nice and straight. Make sure that filler neck comes up in there, and then you click it, you push it in place, you should feel it click and it should seat all the way. So all right, there's a tab. I'll show you on the old one. There's a tab right here that lines up with the notch, so just make sure that tab's lined up, and then you push it in and it should click right into place.